When you think about the future of naval warfare, you probably imagine something sleek, stealthy, and packed with cutting-edge tech. A ship that doesn't just sail the seas but controls them. Meet the DDG-X, the United States Navy's next-generation destroyer. It's not just an upgrade, it's a total reinvention of what a warship can be. Today we're diving deep into every key feature that makes the DDG-X the most advanced and most anticipated destroyer on the planet. 1. Integrated Power System, the heart of the beast. At the core of the DDG-X lies a revolutionary Integrated Power System, or IPS. Think of it as the ship's electrical nervous system. Instead of old-school engines directly driving the propellers, everything, propulsion, weapons, sensors, runs off a single massive electric power grid. Why is that important? Because this design can generate massive amounts of energy, enough to power the lasers and electromagnetic weapons of tomorrow. It also means a smoother, quieter ride, better fuel efficiency, and the flexibility to channel power wherever it's needed. This is the power system of the future, built not just for today's missions, but for weapons that haven't even been invented yet. 2. Modular hull design, built for evolution. Unlike older ships that are locked into one design forever, the DDG-X is built around a modular architecture. Its secret weapon? The Destroyer Payload Module, a midsection that can be swapped or expanded to add new tech as decades go by. Need more missile space, more radar, maybe a laser battery upgrade? Just plug it in. This ship evolves like a smartphone with modular attachments, except it weighs over 13,000 tons and can dominate an entire ocean. 3. The Missile Arsenal, a floating fortress. Let's talk firepower. The DDG-X is expected to carry 96 vertical launch cells, the same system used to fire Tomahawks, SM-6 interceptors, and anti-submarine missiles. But here's the twist. It's also being built with 12 massive, large-diameter launchers designed for future hypersonic weapons. That means this destroyer won't just defend